Hi, I'm Magi Helena. I'm one of only 2 certified Magi astrologers and the only woman at the highest level of certification by the Magi Society. I've always loved astrology and I started out studying Western astrology. I found it really interesting, and I did discover some things that shed some light. But in almost 20 years of focused astrology study, there was never any kind of system accurate enough or reliable enough to really base major decisions or actions on. Nothing I could really use to improve my life. When I first came across Magi Astrology, I was super curious about this radically different astrology method. After reading the 3 Magi books, I began to review all the charts I had saved over the years with one question in mind. Does Magi Astrology really explain it better? After almost a year of research, I came to the resounding conclusion that yes, Magi Astrology is just more accurate. I call Magi Astrology star science because it's strictly based on 30+ years of scientific statistical research. This is the key difference between science-based astrology and all other types of astrology. And star science proven principles are accurate enough and reliable enough to base decisions and actions on. Like any science, star science works even if you don't believe in astrology. There's a big difference between a belief system and a science. Old astrology is a belief system. You either believe in it or you don't. There's no proof. But let's use an example of something that's scientifically proven. Gravity. Whether you believe in gravity or not, if you jump off a building, you're going to fall down. Once something proves itself consistently, it's no longer a belief system. It's a scientific and at least partial understanding of universal law. In super simplistic terms for non-astrologers, here are a few of the keys to accurate astrology revealed by our statistical research. One is we use the planets' vertical altitudes relative to each other, not just their positions around a wheel. Planets don't all orbit on a flat plane like a disk. Some orbits are tilted. Research has proven that vertical planetary positions are every bit as important as their horizontal positions. Another principle we use is that we use both vertical and horizontal planetary positions as viewed from the Sun, which is the center of the solar system, as well as those same positions viewed from the Earth. Both of these charts are equally powerful. And we don't just use the 10 original planets like other systems. Our ongoing research has discovered the symbolisms of many newly discovered astrobodies. Often we use as many as 33 points at one time. And then we view these 33 points from all the dimensions. These are just a few of the principles you need to use to make accurate predictions. You could even say that the difference between regular astrology and star science is like the difference between tic-tac-toe and 3D chess. Due to the complexity of this system, there aren't any one-size-fits-all generalized answers we can give. But those aren't accurate enough to really matter anyway. Using star science, the answers we can give are highly accurate. So many clients ask me to find a way to harness these complex principles to create simple, affordable tools that they could use in their lives to help them find love and success. After years of research, experimentation, and programming, I introduced my instant personal calendars and my instant love compatibility reports. My products are 100% star science based and proven, so now everyone can harness the stars to help them live their dreams. Will using star science hand it all to you with no work? No way. You still have to do all the real world stuff too, like show up, work hard to be your best, learn from your mistakes, and be patient and keep trying if it doesn't all come together right away. What using star science will do is up your odds of success. My instant tools can help you achieve your dreams a lot easier and a lot sooner. Now you can use star science to get accurate answers and your own personal right timing to go for what you want out of life. It's never too late to learn something new. It's never too late to bring new tools on board. It's never too late to live the dream.